We see 4 terms, it's cubic with all these middle terms, so we're going to have to give that factor by grouping a try. I'm going to break this up into groups of 2 terms apiece. In this first set of groups, I see that there's a common factor of x squared. And then I have to ask myself what I would multiply x squared by to get 2x cubed. If I want to get a 2, I'll need a 2 in there. And to get this up to be x cubed, I'll need to put another x on x squared. Then what would I multiply x squared by to get 3x squared? Well, if I want to get a 3, I'll have to put a 3 in there. But I already have the x squared. I don't need to include any additional x's here. Moving along, we see this one lead to the negative term. So I will factor out a negative, whatever it is, it'll be negative something. The 14 and the 21 have a common factor of 7, so I'll factor out negative 7. And then it's the same line of questioning. What would I multiply negative 7 by if I wanted to get negative 14x? That'd be a positive 2x. What would I multiply negative 7 by to get negative 21? That'd be positive 3. I'm happy to see that these are identical, so they act as the common factor. I can factor 2x plus 3 out of both parts. And then if I factor this guy's 2x plus 3 away, I'm left with x squared, and over here with a negative 7. If this last maneuver is still bothering you, I want you to think about what we talked about in class, which was this idea that a problem like this is very similar to a problem like this. So if you can see this and you understand that, okay, these terms have a common factor of a, and if I factor an a out of both of these things, I'd be left with an x squared minus 7. Right? If you understand that this can turn into this, that's exactly what's happening over here. The only difference is, instead of having an a and an a and an a in front, it's this same thing, and this same thing all in front. So sometimes it's helpful to think or even literally draw a capital A or a capital B or whatever very lightly on top of what you're doing to help that last move make sense. Good luck.